2.5 years. It's a shame on the European community that we are still negotiating to Ukraine and so on, because those brave Ukrainian men and women are actually giving their lives now. Basically, if Putin succeeded and if things went on as he planned, Lewis, that we would not be talking about this now, because the Russian army would have not suffered the loss of part of Russia. Then that army would have marched through.
Meeting these things normally, planned for months, if not years in advance. This is all happening on the hoof. So what role do you think Starmer can and should play in this? He has managed to, perhaps against the odds, strike up some sort of personal relationship with Trump. Trump hasn't, despite what many predicted.
Tubeless.